Three dimensions geometry. Coordinates. Rectangular Cartesian coordinates. In solid analytical geometry, the position of a point is determined by the coordinates with reference to three axes in space. Let us take three mutually perpendicular straight lines x dashed ox, y dashed oy, and z dashed oz meeting at O. Let P be a point in space. Drawn Pn perpendicular to the plane XOY and draw NA perpendicular to OX. Let OA equals to X, AN equals to Y, and NP equals to Z. The position of the point P is determined by these three distances called the coordinates x, y, z with reference to the three axes ox, oy, and oz called the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis respectively. The coordinates of the origin O are 0, 0, 0. The planes YOZ, ZOX, XOY are called the coordinate planes. X equals to PM equals to length of the perpendicular from P on the YZ plane. Y equals to PL equals to length of the perpendicular from P on the ZX plane, and Z equals to PN equals to length of the perpendicular from P on the XY plane. Distance between 2 points. Let the coordinates of the 2 points P and Q be x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 respectively. Then PQ equals to root over of x2 minus x1 its whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square plus z2 minus z1 its whole square. Next, coordinates of a point dividing the join of 2 points in a given ratio. Let the point R, whose coordinates are xyz, divide PQ in the ratio L is to M internally. Let the coordinates of P and Q be x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 respectively. Then the coordinates of the point R are Lx2 plus Mx1 divided by L plus M, comma Ly2 plus My1 divided by L plus M, and Lz2 plus Mz1 divided by L plus M. The coordinates of the point dividing PQ externally in the ratio L is to M are Lx2 minus Mx1 divided by L minus M, comma Ly2 minus My1 divided by L minus M, comma Lz2 minus Mz1 divided by L minus M. Next, direction cosines. If alpha, beta, gamma be the angles which a straight line makes with the lines parallel to the axis of coordinates, then alpha, beta, gamma are called the direction angles of the straight line. If alpha, beta, gamma be the angles which a straight line makes with the positive direction of the axis, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of the line. They are generally denoted by L, M and N. If the direction cosines of PQ be L, M, N, then those of QP will be minus L, minus M, minus N. Therefore, L square plus M square plus N square is equals to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, which is equals to 1. Therefore, L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. Direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. Direction cosines of y-axis are 0, 1, 0 and direction cosines of z-axis are 0, 0, 1. Next, direction ratios. Any three numbers a, b, c, which are proportional to the direction cosines L, M, N respectively of a given straight line are called the direction ratios or direction numbers of the given line. Thus, L by A equals to M by B equals to N by C equals to plus minus root over of L square plus M square plus N square divided by root over of A square plus B square plus C square is equals to plus minus 1 by root over of A square plus B square plus C square, because L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. Therefore, L is equals to plus minus A by root over of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equals to plus minus B divided by root over of A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equals to plus minus C divided by root over of A square plus B square plus C square.